Hi, this is Jess.
And this is Rachel.
Welcome to the
EP 401 IT
Help Desk.
Hi, this is Jess from the EPCUSD 401 Help Desk, and this is the screencast to go along with the Google training about Google Drawings. So if you've ever wanted to create a meme or take a few images and meld them together into one image and then download that as a JPEG or a PNG file to put into one of your documents, Google Drawings is a great tool to use. It's also great for creating maps and showing directions for large-scale events. So there's two ways to get to Google Drawings. The first way is to just type in drawings.google.com and you will get a brand new drawing to use. That's the easier way. The other way is to go into your waffle, and usually Google Drawings is not one of the first ones that comes up. So you go to Even More from Google, scroll down to Home and Office, and here is Drawings. Google Drawings is really easy to use. Of course, the first thing you're going to do is give your drawing a title, so it's easier to find in your drive. I'm going to call this Practice Drawing. Then we're going to take a look at some of the menus. So in the File menu, a couple really important things to point out. When you're done with your drawing, you can download it in these sorts of formats, a PDF, a JPEG, or a PNG image, and also a scalable vector graphic. You can also publish it to the web to make your content visible to anyone, and then you can link it or embed it in a website or anywhere else you'd like to use it. You can go to Page Setup, and here is where you can set the size of the actual image itself. So it's always at standard, but you can pick widescreen or you can even make a custom size if you want. I'm going to stick with the standard for today. In your Insert menu, you have a text box to create text, image to start building the image, a chart if you wanted to. You can even import something from Sheets, word art like Microsoft Word has, lines, shapes, and tables. You can also comment on people's drawings here. The Arrange menu is another important one. Once you have some images in here, what you can do is arrange the order of the images, center them on the page, group them, which is a really important tool to use, and ungroup them if you decide not to keep them that way. So let's try something. We are going to insert an image, and we're going to go to Search, and we're going to go to, how about Grumpy Cat? I'm going to make a meme today. So let's see. This cat looks really grumpy. I'm going to select that. And it will put it in. And just as in anything else, you can resize it to whatever size you feel necessary. Then I want to insert a text box. And I'm going to put a text box up here. And I'm going to put Tuesdays are just Mondays lazy. Sister. I'm going to highlight this, and here I can center it. Here I can change the color, bold, change the size. I can change the font. You would in Google Docs. So same sort of format. And that's the best thing about Google products, is that they're all sort of run the same way. And then if I was done with this, what I could do is, of course, like I said before, I could download it, or I could show you some other cool effects, which of course I'm going to do. So let's go to Image Options. You check out here, you can adjust the transparency of an image. So now you can see through it a little bit more. If it was a photo and you needed to change the brightness or the contrast, you could do that here. This is fun. You can recolor the image. Kind of creepy, but there's some options for you there. So just some things to play around with. Now let's say I wanted to group. So basically, I want to group the text with the image. So what I just did is I selected the text, I held down the Shift key and selected the image. I could go to Arrange and Group, and now these become one, which is sort of nice when you just get it set the way you want it to be set. So hopefully this helped you. Please make sure you stop and visit our website at tinyurl.com/EP401tech and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is EPCUSD 401 Help Desk, for more videos to help you out.